Anvils are everywhere. In our homes, our schools, even our blacksmiths. But where did they come from? It may be hard to imagine, but anvils weren't always around. In the earliest days of man, items called vanstills were used in place. Functionally, they were exactly the same. However, these were constructed from the heads of small animals called cats. The skulls were filled with an early kind of cement, and then given to the town shaman to perform a month-long ceremony which would harden the skull. And this was the standard for quite some time. It was only in 1860 when Anvil Johnson decided to combine metals to produce a similar, if not stronger, result. These more durable devices, which he initially called the Johnsons, weren't the runaway success he was hoping for. Mostly because of their shape. People just weren't ready for a non-cat skull-shaped device. Johnson's longtime friend, John Longson, suggested a reworking of the shape, with branding to fit. The new shape featured a Pritchard hole, hardy hole, face, step, and rounded edge, but something was missing. The signature horn was added after Johnson and Longson both witnessed a wild cat face off against a wild rhinoceros. After seeing the cat stand no chance against the rhinoceros, the two concluded that the horn would add a signature value to outbeat the competition. Johnson? 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 John.